In your notebooks, copy down the math problem 5/8 times 2/3. Unlike addition and subtraction, you do not need common denominators when multiplying fractions. You are simply going to take numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Before I put a box around my final answer, I always ask myself, is there a number that goes into 10 and 24 to reduce the fraction? Both are even. 2 goes into every even number in the world. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 2 goes into 24 12 times. There isn't a number that goes into 5 and 12, so I have simplified or reduced my fraction. These two fractions are equivalent. This is just brought down to the simplest form. The next math problem, 4/7 divided by 2/9. When we're dividing fractions, you keep the first fraction the same. You change division to multiplication, and you take the reciprocal. That means flip the fraction upside down. What was in the numerator becomes the denominator. What's in the denominator becomes the numerator. Following the rules we just performed up here, we would do top times top, bottom times bottom, and then we need to reduce. There is a couple ways of approaching this one. I always try to make it as simple as possible. Again, I notice both of these are even numbers, so I'm going to make the numbers a little smaller by dividing by 2. Half of 36 is 18. Half of 14 is 7. Oh, then I can ask myself, how many times does 7 go into 18? 2 times, and I would have 4 left over. My final answer would be 2 4/7. If you want to just go directly from here to here, 14 goes into 36 2 times with 8 left over. I am still not done. I would have to simplify. These are both, again, even numbers. So 2 goes in there 4 times. 2 goes in there 7 times. Now there isn't a number that goes into 4 and 7, so these fractions are the simplest.